Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's Glow Muskan. Today's video is really special to me because I am celebrating my very first Vat Savitri Vrat as a married woman. So let's get ready for it, and today I'm going to wear this very beautiful orange saree because I wanted my look to be very traditional and elegant for this day. You can create this look in any puja or any festival also. So first we will start with skincare. Since the puja usually starts early in the morning, I like to keep my skincare routine quick but refreshing. Don't forget to apply sunscreen, this is very important. Now for makeup, I'm keeping things soft and traditional, nothing too heavy. I'm starting with a light base to even out my skin tone, then some concealer under the eyes, a bit of setting powder, and we are good. So firstly I have applied the darker shade of concealer which is from inside, and then I am applying Pond's BB cream so that my face look even, and then I am applying this Swiss Beauty concealer which is the best concealer. After that I will set everything with the compact which is from Maybelline. Now here I am using Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil which is in the shade brown. For eye makeup I am using this Mars eyeshadow palette. It has so many beautiful shades. You can create so many looks from it. Now I'm applying eyeliner which is from Lakme, and then I have applied mascara which is from again Swiss Beauty. Now again this beautiful palette is from Swiss Beauty, 3-in-1 palette. It has blush, highlight and contour both, so you have to try it. This is the best thing you can have. Now I'm applying her Swiss Beauty lip liner, and also I have applied the lipstick which is from Swiss Beauty again. So my makeup is done, and now it's time for hair. And for hair I'm doing a sleek glow bun with a middle part. It looks neat under the pallu and holds up well during the rituals. And yes, for outfit I've chosen this gorgeous orange saree. It's so elegant and perfect for the occasion. After doing my hairstyle, I've just added sindoor and bindi. Now I feel ready inside and out to do the puja. After this I just had to wear my jewelries and I am ready. Thank you so much for getting ready with me today. Let me know in the comments if you celebrate Vat Savitri too, and what's your traditional look like. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye. I'll see you in my next. Ta-da!